Hello my dear students. Today we are going to discuss next part of the lesson nature created man and woman as equals. Means this lesson describes the gender equality. And here now see yesterday we have seen Miss Ashangvis explain the God created man and woman as equals. She gives the different example to Lantoi how woman is not lesser than men. She gives the example of many brave queen which the story narrated by her grandmother. Also, she gives the example of modern women who were the mountaineers, naturalists, astronauts, scientists, soldiers, and political leaders. Means this proves that women cannot do, and also that women and men were created as equals. Now, next. Then she asked her mother further, Mother, you have thrown light on the equality of men and women, and also have emphasized that the world is full, still an unequal world. And she said to mother, means after explanation of her mother of this topic, she said to her mother, you thrown the light on. Thrown the light on means she meaning means to give information or explanation, means you give information the equality of men and women, and also have emphasized that word is still unequal. Means you give the example of information of equality of men and women, also you emphasize, means give stress on the world is also now unequal world, means now also there is inequality. Okay. Then, what would like to know is if there are moral, social, and legal provisions to enable women to express their physical and mental potential and to set themselves free from suppression. Means, then what would like to know as if there are moral, social, and legal provisions. If there is a moral, social, and legal provisions, provisions means act. Okay, provisions means act. मतलब मॉरल सोशल अँड नैतिक सामाजिक आणि कायदेशीर ॲक्ट. ओके. Provisions to enable women to express their physical and mental potential. Means there is necessary, she said, Lantoi said that it is necessary to make the moral, social, and legal provision to enable women to express their physical, mental potential and to set themselves free from suppression. Means there must be need to the act of moral, social, and legal act to express the woman, express themselves, express to woman from free from suppression. Suppression means to express their thought, to express their feelings. There should be need a act to express their thought, express their feelings. Okay. Potential means the quality that exists and can be developed. Means with the help of this act, women can develop themselves. Okay, they can produce their thoughts and feelings with the help of this act. Okay, with the help of this act. And see, amazed at the curiosity of her daughter, Ashangvi adds, and whatever she is really interested, means Lantoi is really interested of this topic, and that's why Ashangvi also she is enthusiastic to tell her that's why she add more. There are many under the age of the United Nations. There is a declaration for a new world of equality. It has the following dimensions, and because of her, when she heard about that there is need to be a moral, social, and legal provision, that time Ashangvi added, means there is under the aegis of United Nations. Under the aegis of means with the protection or support of to particular organization or person. Means there is a support of United Nations. Okay, there is a support of United Nations to women, and they made their declaration for a new world of equality. Means United Nations made the declaration for a new world of equality. It has the following dimension. It has the following dimension. Dimensions is aspects or features. Equal access to basic social services including health and education. Means men and women, they have the equal access to basic social services. Okay, including health and education. Means women have the equal right like a man for health and education also. Equal participation in political and economic decision making. They have also the right in political and economic decision making. Means they can take part in politics also, in political field also. Okay, or they can take the decision. Okay. Nowadays, everyone know there are many ministers who where means ladies, they make the decision. Okay. For example, ecom is financial minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Okay, she has the decision making power. Equal reward for equal work. Equal reward for means if they work equally, then also they have the right to equal rewards. Okay, rewards means prize. Elimination of discrimination and violence against women. Elimination means getting rid of. They get rid of discrimination. Means they fight for the discrimination. Understood? They fight for the discriminator and violence against the women. Like this way, her mother added means under the aegis of United Nations. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss the last part of the lesson. Okay, thank you.